Hey, this is Jim with Diesel Geek, and today we're going to show you the Super Slider for the 2008 and newer Mark 5, Mark 6, and Mark 7. This is the stock plastic bell crank that they started using in 2008. It has a very small slider with not much surface area, but what we're going to do is we're going to show you the Diesel Geek Super Slider for the 2008 and newer cars. And the first thing that you're going to do to install the part is you're going to just pop off the stock super slider, and with the rag you can see there's a little, it's an 11 millimeter ball. It's a 1 millimeter bigger than the earlier cars, but you're just going to wipe the ball off just to get the grease off, and then just take the new super slider. You can put a little grease in there if you want, it doesn't really matter. So you're just going to pop it on. It's just going to snap on, and that's pretty much it.